Picked it.
Picked it.
Picked it. Picked it. Picked it.
Picked it.
Yeah, picked it, mate. Hello and welcome to the Picked It Mate channel. I am Picked It Mate, and today we're looking at the Master Lotto 410. And if you're new, please do consider subscribing if you like what you see, and pop that like button also if you like it. Today we're looking at hopefully popping the Master Lock 410. It has the 400B keyway. I understand there's a couple of different keyways for the 410s. So this one's got the 400B keyway, and there's the bitting. I don't know if you can see it past all of this terrible focus. There we are. Okay, so there's the bitting. Hopefully you can see that. This a few of us guys got together and got from the UK, which is predominantly what the Discord server is for, and we all chucked in on a job lot of these, all brand new, and gone for about just over £5 or £6 each, something like that it was, plus the PMP, which I went and picked up. So let's see what we can do, see if we can pick this up, get it in the vice. Let's have a good old go with it. Let's move it in a bit. Yeah, that should do, I think. Let's go straight on camera. Right, okay. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description if you want to be involved in the Discord server and come and get some locks and stuff like that. So this is the key. Show that it works, which it does, indeedy. Let's pop it in. Device here. I've got an extra special guest to show you. Nobody's seen on the channel yet. Let's get this tension wrench in, and I will get the special guest out. Right, here we go. I think this needs a screen on its own, actually, whilst I introduce it. So you may recognize potentially, obviously, if you're from the Discord and you're watching this, hello Discord. And I was on Instagram having a little look through some lock porn and some lockpick porn, in fact, and came across a guy called Matt from Matt's Lockpit. Popped a comment on one of his videos saying that I loved this color green. Anyone who knows me knows that lime green is my absolute favorite color. So popped a little comment, and just in passing I mentioned that I liked the Tiffany profile, which is the deforest teardrop profile. Lo and behold, he popped up in my my DMs a couple of days later and saying, hey, you mentioned this in passing and we didn't have anything concrete, but would you like this? I made it. Of course I jumped at the chance because look at it, it's awesome. Yeah, focus for you. Yep. So yeah, I jumped at the chance, and the rest is history. He sent it out to us, and we agreed a good price and so on. And yeah, absolutely awesome, really good. So Matt, thank you if you're watching. If you're not watching, thank you anyway. I suppose. I'm going to leave also a link to Matt's Instagram. So if you two are a fellow lockpick porn lover, then you'll love his page. Right, so let's get cracking on this Master Lotto 410. I always like to go from the very last pin, and in this case it's pin number 6. This is a 6-pin with security pins strewn throughout. Let's see what we can get on this, see if we can get an open on it. Okay, pin number 6. Got a little bit on it. Feeling something on 5. Yep, there we go. On 5. Four is a little bit too stiff, I think, so I'm not going to do that one yet. I may have actually been picking the warden. Let's go from the front. Number 1. Number 2. I think I might have overset that actually. Oh, pin number 3 there. No, pin number 4, super sloppy there. That's back down, yeah it is, that's back down. It's got a dead cord on this as well, so even if you relieve tension on it, you have to kind of manually pull back on it on the tension wrench. There we are, so we had something out of 5 that time, that was good news. 4 ready? Yeah, there we are, 4's ready now. No, 5 was feeling like serrated, but I know that there's no serrated in this. So, I was obviously either picking at the warding or something, so it's going to look a quick reset on that one. Don't think I've reset them all. No, it's pin number 6 still good. 5, 4, 3. Still good. Pin number 2. Oh, there we are. Counter rotation there, just tickling 2. That's great news. So let's find what's going to give us, sorry, not counter rotation, false set. My mistake. Let's see what's going to give us counter rotation now though, which looks to be, we'll check 6, no, 5, no, 4, no, 3, no, maybe it's not right. Pin number 1. There we go, and we got the open. Awesome stuff. Lovely jubbly. So that was the Master Lotto 410. Like I say, I'll leave a link in the description for Matt's Lockpit and our UK Discord if you want to pop in and say hello. Thank you very much for watching. I've been Picked It Mate, and you guys have been awesome. Thank you.